1000 LB sisters. Tammy Slaton's weird ping is a red flag. Why TLC won't call it out? Tammy Slaton has always been a polarizing figure on 1000 LB sisters, but as the show enters deeper into her weight loss journey, fans are beginning to raise serious concerns about her vaping habit, a behavior that has faced in multiple social media posts and even within episodes. Many viewers are now wondering why TLC continues to overlook or ignore this potentially dangerous choice. As Tammy works hard to maintain the progress she has made through bariatric surgery and lifestyle changes, her continued use of vape devices is sounding alarms for both fans and health advocates alike. Why isn't TLC addressing it on camera? And more importantly, what does this say about the network's priorities? In the past seasons, Tammy's health has been a central theme of 1000 LB sisters. Her struggles with obesity, limited mobility, and oxygen dependency have driven much of the show's emotional narrative. Viewers watched with tense anticipation as she checked into a rehabilitation center, fought for her independence, and finally underwent life-changing surgery. It was a major milestone, and TLC did not hold back in portraying the journey as a triumph against adversity. But now, the show appears to be turning a blind eye to behaviors that could very well undo that progress. Tammy's vaping habit has become increasingly visible, especially on her TikTok and Instagram lives. In videos, she is seen holding what appears to be a vape pen, taking deep inhales while talking to fans or dancing to viral sounds. For someone who once depended on an oxygen tank due to respiratory issues, this behavior feels like a massive contradiction. Fans quickly took notice, and social media has been flooded with comments asking why the network isn't acknowledging this obvious red flag. The silence is deafening. Health experts are also beginning to voice their opinions. Dr. Sarah Nuzum, a pulmonary specialist unaffiliated with the show, told an online health outlet that vaping introduces chemicals into the lungs that can lead to inflammation, decreased respiratory function, and in extreme cases, lung disease. For someone with Tammy's medical history, it's not just inadvisable, it's dangerous. The fact that TLC, a network that has presented itself as an advocate for transformation and recovery stories, is not using this as an educational movement has stirred a heated debate. Is it a case of protecting their talent, or are the producers worried that confronting Tammy on camera could lead to more drama behind the scenes? Fans who are deeply invested in Tammy's journey feel conflicted. On one hand, they're proud of her weight loss and determination to push through barriers, but on the other hand, they fear that these small but consistent habits could jeopardize her future. In one Reddit thread, a user wrote, "It's like watching someone rebuild their life from scratch only to start poking holes in their own foundation. She doesn't see it yet, but it's concerning. Where are her handlers, her doctors, TLC?" Some speculate that the network might be exercising strategic editing. Reality TV often walks a fine line between authenticity and entertainment. By selectively curating footage, producers can choose what stories to amplify and what to ignore. In the case of Tammy's vaping, viewers suspect this behavior is either being downplayed or avoided entirely to keep the narrative of her recovery clean and inspiring. After all, the show has invested multiple seasons into portraying Tammy's health transformation, and any suggestion that she is slipping could undo that storyline. That said, authenticity has always been part of the appeal of 1000 LB sisters. Fans were initially drawn to the unfiltered way in which the show documented the highs and lows of the Slaton sisters' lives. From arguments with family members to breakdowns in hospital beds, the Rawness gave the show its heart. Ignoring something as visible and medically relevant as vaping runs counter to that spirit and risks alienating its most loyal viewer. Tammy herself has remained mostly silent on the topic, despite the mounting criticism. Occasionally, she is seen clapping back at trolls who bring up her health choices, often with sarcastic or dismissive responses. This defensiveness is not new. Throughout her journey, Tammy has often reacted strongly to judgment, whether it's about her weight, her relationships, or her lifestyle hobby. T.S. While fans understand the pressure of being in the public eye, many believe that her silence around vaping is only making things worse. If she addressed it head-on, explaining whether it's a short-term coping mechanism, a misidentified object, or something she's trying to quit, it might help clear the air. But the longer it goes unacknowledged, the louder the whispers become. The situation also opens up a broader conversation about the responsibilities of reality TV networks. TLC, which has produced dozens of medical or lifestyle transformation shows, has long faced criticism for dramatizing illness or trauma without offering real support or accountability. In the case of 1000 LB Sisters, the success of the series hinges largely on the emotional investment viewers have in Tammy and Amy's progress. So when fans witness behavior that could potentially reverse that progress, like vaping, they expect the network to address it responsibly. Otherwise, the show risks becoming more of a spectacle than a genuine narrative of change. The ethics of reality television have evolved significantly in recent years. As viewers become more media savvy and socially conscious, there is a growing demand for transparency and responsible storytelling. Audiences no longer accept that everything on screen is merely entertainment, especially when it involves people with complex health conditions. In that light, TLC's decision to ignore Tammy's vaping feels tone deaf at best and exploitative at worst. Is the network prioritizing ratings over her well-being? Interestingly, some former TLC stars have spoken out about behind-the-scenes choices made by producers. While none have directly addressed Tammy's case, comments from other shows like My 600LB Life and Sister Wives suggest that reality stars are often encouraged to maintain certain narratives, even if it means leaving out uncomfortable truths. Could Tammy be under pressure to keep her storyline clean? Could vaping simply be a piece of her reality that doesn't fit the recovery arc TLC is trying to sell? Despite these theories, not everyone believes this is a case of censorship. Some argue that Tammy is a grown woman, and her choices, good or bad, should not be policed by the network. If she chooses to vape, and TLC respects her autonomy by not interfering, then perhaps the responsibility lies more with her doctors and support system than the show. But that argument loses weight when considering how influential Tammy has become. With over 1 million followers across social platforms, Tammy's behaviors, intentional or not, carry weight. Young fans or those struggling with their own health issues may look up to her, and her normalizing of vaping without any kind of caution or context sends a dangerous message. Especially considering she once required a track tube to breathe. The show has reached a pivotal moment. Tammy has survived near-death experiences, conquered her surgery goals, and even begun exploring life in new and exciting ways. She is thriving again, engaging with fans, attending events, and rediscovering joy. The last thing fans want to see is a relapse, whether in food addiction, substance use, or dangerous coping habits like vaping. TLC has a unique opportunity here. They could turn this into a teachable moment, showing Tammy confronting this habit, seeking help, or educating viewer on its risks. Such an episode would not only be compelling television, but also a way to foster positive change in the community that follows 1000 LB Sisters. So why won't they? The reality is, TLC's silence reflects a broader issue within the entertainment industry, how networks often prioritize dramatic arcs and ratings over long-term well-being. As Tammy becomes more vocal and visible online, the pressure is mounting for someone, be it producers, doctors, or family, to step in and address the elephant in the room. Because ignoring it isn't helping her, and it certainly isn't helping her fans. In the end, the question isn't just about Tammy Slaton and her vape pen. It's about accountability. It's about whether networks should be held to higher standards when documenting the real lives of people with serious health challenges. And it's about whether audiences will continue to support a show that selectively highlights triumph while quietly brushing aside the dangers still lurking behind the scenes. Until then, fans will keep watching, hoping that the woman who overcame so much doesn't let something so small become her next big hurdle, and praying that TLC, for once, won't look away. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.